If I had to start over teaching the mental game, I'd start with this. Your brain is always projecting a movie on the movie screen of your mind. Your job is to continuously choose between whether your mind is running a highlight reel or a horror film. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Paul Callaway and welcome back to another episode of The Champion's Code. Excuse the Caddyshack reference, but it fits. Be the ball. Today I'll show you how to build that mental imagery highlight reel the right way, using visualization to build your golf mental game, focus, confidence, and mental toughness. So let's begin by understanding how the effective use of mental imagery, also commonly known as visualization, helps to improve self-mastery, including confidence, composure, and toughness. 2 Timothy 1 verse 7 says, "For God did not give us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and self-discipline." Motivation, seeing yourself achieve. Hebrews 12 verse 1 says, "Therefore, since we are surrounded by such a great cloud of witnesses, let us throw off everything that hinders and the sin that so easily entangles. And let us run with perseverance the race marked out for us." Strategy and routines, including course management and decision-making. Proverbs 16 verse 3 says, "Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans." Technical skills, like chipping, solid ball striking, and full swing tempo. Colossians 3 verses 23 says, "Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters." And arousal control, being calm under pressure. Psalm 46 verses 10 says, "Be still, and know that I am God." Your mind is like a heat-seeking missile. Give it a target, and it organizes your focus. Here's my Champion's Code 3-step plan you can apply right away. Step 1. Write the vision. On a blank sheet, write what would be exciting this year. Break 80, lower my handicap, make the team, play confident golf under pressure. Habakkuk 2 verse 2 says, "Write down the revelation and make it plain on tablets so that a herald may run with it." Step 2. Find your why. Make it intrinsic, about mastery, not ego. The trophy isn't the real success, the player you become is. Proverbs 4 verse 25 says, "Let your eyes look straight ahead, fix your gaze directly before you." And step 3. Go to the movies. Turn your goals into short movie clips, using all 5 senses. What you see, hear, feel, even the smells of the course. End each clip with gratitude and joy. Hebrews 11 verse 1 says, "Now faith is confidence in what we hope for, and assurance about what we do not see." Next, fear isn't proof you're broken, but if you don't train your response, fear will train you. Psalms 56 verse 3 says, "When I am afraid, I will trust in you." So follow these steps. 1. Write what you fear, like first tee jitters, choking, missing short putts, chunking chips, or feeling tournament pressure. 2. Rate each fear 1 to 10. 3. Start with the highest. 4. Imagine it vividly until you feel the symptoms. And 5. Then rehearse success with the fear present. Breathe, soften your face, move into a strong posture, pick a target, and commit to your pre-shot routine. Philippians 4 verses 6 and 7 say, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus." My client Max had a good swing but a shaky mental game, often experiencing first tee anxiety and fear of blowing a score. We built a daily 5-minute imagery movie, desensitization for his triggers, and a simple pre-shot routine. Within weeks, Max said the fear didn't completely vanish, but it stopped controlling him. He played more consistent, confident golf when it mattered. So in review, I suggest you write your goals, write your why, build your 5 senses movie. Practice these 3 steps daily. Train fear with desensitization, and imagine being the ball, Danny. Please like, subscribe, and comment movie if you're committed to the inner work this season. And if you want help applying this to your exact game, book a complimentary 30-minute strategy session. Plus, If you want to accelerate your mental game fast, check out my Power to Overcome Golf State of Mind training program. It's a 20-lesson online course built from 30 years of coaching, and when you enroll, you get free bonus access to my entire ebook collection. I'll leave the links for both options in the description below. This is Dr. Paul Callaway. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you back here again for the next episode of The Champion's Code.
You have the drive, but are you missing the foundation? At Limitless Success Mentoring, we help entrepreneurs, athletes, and professionals achieve the extraordinary. Dr. Paul Callaway uses faith-based principles and proven success laws to help you break through barriers and find your true identity. It's time to stop striving and start building from abundance. Visit limitlesssuccessmentoring.com today to get started.